What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video I'm going to chat a little bit about my investing journey and some huge news I wanted to tell y'all. It's been a little nutty, it's been hectic, but y'all already know the drill. Let's get it.
Ooh, big bag. You not talking money, you can miss me with the chit chat. I'm not with the rah-rah or the riff.
Alright, you guys, so I don't want to waste too much time. I know that I've already made a video, I don't know, at the beginning of the year talking about my investing plan, my entire 2021 plan, my goals, what I'm going to do, what I set forth to do this year. And, you know, I mean, I will go ahead, I will link that down below in the first comment if you want to check it out after this video to get a recap. But things are a little different, and I was really kind of, you know, beating myself up about it because I made so many claims in that video about things like burning the boats and chasing only after two things and making a choice to only go after those few things for my life. And I do stand by that, and those are still things that I am going to accomplish. It's just, you know, life brought up some new opportunities. And when you're in a mindset of trying to grow, build wealth, make more money, invest in things bigger than yourself, for me, for example, you already know my story with my sister and just the other programs I want to begin for that kind of community. And my faith is a big component of who I am, and I've been praying a lot, and God comes through in some weird ways sometimes, you guys. Praise him, because it came at the perfect time. Two kind of big things are happening for me right now. I got a new job, and also I am moving again. I just moved to this place in January of last year. I'm moving again. They're raising the rent too much. I don't think it's a good value, and you guys already know I am a value hunter. And I think paying about $2,400 for a one-bedroom apartment is just absolutely nutty. So I am moving to a new city, which is actually closer to my parents' house. It's where I grew up. And I'm gonna get a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment for less money, or about the same amount as I would be if I was staying here. So that's a huge one, but those two things are going to impact my life and my channel long and short term, and I kind of want to talk to you guys about it because I feel like we're family. You know, I'm pretty transparent with you guys. I'm no dang professional. I just like to take you guys along the journey of my life and of my investing career and just what I'm doing and the moves I'm making and the income I'm producing. So I just wanted to chat with you guys. It's a little bit of an informal video. You know, like I said, I beat myself up kind of heavy because in that video I said, oh, I'm not gonna get a job. I'm just gonna focus on YouTube and like side hustle, like a DoorDash, maybe some real estate. That was kind of my MO. But by the grace of God, I got a very amazing opportunity, and I am lucky enough now to have a full-time job in the real estate industry, working as basically like an executive assistant slash the operations manager for a very good team out here in Orange County, California. And so I am beyond stoked for that. Obviously, that's going to take a majority of my time, which I use a lot of time to produce YouTube content, but hey, your girl ain't gonna slow down. You already know we do what we have to do, okay? Life's a grind, you gotta keep going. So this job is amazing, and I know I kind of hated on jobs and whatever in my last video talking about my plan, but when it's in something that you love to do and you can make more income that you can invest and just bring up bigger opportunities for you as an individual to grow, you have to take advantage of those. And I am so excited to be a part of this team, and I just can't wait for that to kind of start to play out. Another thing I'm super excited about in this job role specifically, not only that it's in the real estate industry and I get to just do everything involved in that, but also the team I'm joining, he specializes in fix and flips. He has a ton of rental properties that he himself has bought. I get to learn from that. That is amazing, you guys. I can't emphasize enough. Put yourself in places where you can continue to learn, grow your skill set, and make a better life for yourself every single day. It's super important. And the team does personal development all the time. They said they read a book, like a book a month. They talk about it, they have meetings, and they're always pushing every single member of the team to become better every day. And I need that in my life. That's where I want to be. And so I am just so thankful, and I'm not going to talk your ear off about the job anymore, but just know I'm extremely happy. I'm just so thankful and so blessed. But also on top of that, now your girl is moving. So as I'm recording this, it's February 9th. My move-in day is March 7th, and I'm starting my job literally February 16th, which is next week. So I basically have to get my stuff together and be ready to go in the next few weeks and starting a new job and trying to learn a whole bunch of new things. And so it's going to be extremely hectic. I'm actually going to be staying at my parents' house that live very close to my new job for the next few weeks. So the background's gonna be different. I may be at the park like old school times if you've been here that long, to just try to find some places to create content. But I'm so excited for this move. Like I mentioned, I'm moving into the 2-bedroom apartment, so I'm gonna have a whole space that I'm making into my office, my studio, which is just going to motivate me even more to continue to make content for you guys, to continue to learn more, to drive more, to bring more value to every single one of you. And I'm just thankful, man. I don't even know, I don't have the words. I'm so thankful. But with that is going to come a little bit of rough waters for me in like videos right now. As you know, I post 2 videos a week on this channel, and I will continue to do that. I will continue to push. There may be a week in there or 2 in the next month that I post only 1 a week, depending on kind of what I'm doing. But just know, your girl's not giving up, okay? We're still hustling, we're still grinding, just like every single one of you. Continue to do that, inspires me. I have to be honest, I have had a very hard last like month with my anxiety. I've been having my panic attacks come back, and I do not do well if I don't feel like I'm consistently pushing the needle forward in my life. And just the way things are moving right now, a new place, a new job, new studio, I'm just like, I'm in a whole different headspace than I was a month ago, and I don't want to get emotional because guys, but I do want to mention, because with the move, I'm gonna have about a big chunk of change I have to owe when I move in. I also have to renew my car. I have a lot of expenses coming up here in the next month, so you actually may not see me buying a lot of stocks. I'll still continue to make content on what I'm watching and all that kind of stuff, but the actual purchasing of stocks may have to take a bit of a downgrade. I will throw money in when I can, but not like I had been doing, just to make sure I'm set basically for like the next probably 2 months. We'll see. But you guys already know how I preach consistency no matter what. Do what you have to do to get that money in every single week, every month, whatever your schedule is, and I will do that. I will DoorDash on a weekend if I have to, just to make sure I'm putting something in every single month. But it's not going to be like $800, $1,000, $1,200 like it had been in the past. So with that being said, you guys, I really wanted to just thank you in advance for the support, the understanding of just knowing that, you know, I'm still here, I'm not going anywhere, I still believe what I preach, I'm still going to continue this investment journey. It's a journey though, guys, that's the thing. And sometimes life happens and you might have a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year, you know, but in the long-term scheme of things, like we always talk about the long-term game, if you're consistent, you know, 9 out of 10 years, you're still extremely consistent. So for me, mentally getting over this hurdle of feeling like, oh my gosh, I'm letting myself down, I'm not gonna be on pace for this, like, because I'm still hitting 50K in that dividend portfolio by the end of the year. I'm gonna make that growth portfolio at least 10K by the end of the year. I'm still posting 2 videos a week on YouTube. I still want to start a Discord or a Patreon, okay? I still am going to do those things. Just means after the next month or 2, I gotta push it even harder, and that's cool. I'm good with that. We're gonna be making more money. We can invest more. It just has to take a breather for a second. And when things like this happen in my life, they just motivate the hell out of me. It puts me in a great mindset. It keeps me pushing. I'm so excited about the new space, the new job. It's momentum, and we're gonna take it forward. And I just wanted y'all to know that. I wanted y'all to just have it in your brain that there may be a week where I only post once, and that's my bad. I should be consistent, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. But y'all already know you are my ride or dies out there. I love every single one of you, and every single new subscriber I get just puts a smile on my face. Every like, everything, it makes all the work worth it. And if there's anything ever that I could do for you, please let me know. I'm here to help you. You can always comment. I reply to I think every single one. DM me on Instagram. It's pretty simple. It's at Nikki Byron. And you guys, I just thank you so much, and I'm just really blessed and excited for this new adventure and new opportunity in my life. I want to know how everyone's 2021 is going. We're about 2 months in at this point. Anything new with you guys? Anything exciting? Do y'all get new jobs? Anything cool, motivating for y'all? Leave it down in the comments below. I want us all to just motivate the hell out of each other and just have a check-in with what the year is bringing. If you made it this far and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the NB in the bottom corner or that sweet red subscribe button. Join the crew. I post 2 videos a week on this channel about stocks, money, investing, finance, real estate, side hustles. I just like making money and having a good ass time. And if you are this far, if you would please smash the thumbs up for the channel, for your girl, for the algorithm. And some of y'all really love this part. If you made it this far, you are the real MVP. Come here, you know I love you. And like always, you guys, enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. Always remember to set your hearts on fire. And I will see y'all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.